to go down to Tower 3, Sky Park ticketing booth to grab your tickets. The cost for adults is 20, children 14, senior citizens $17. It is open daily, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. This is the fourth tallest building we have here in Singapore. Second most wealthiest casino in the whole world, largest US investment at $6 billion. Very quickly, at your 12 o'clock direction, Singapore's tallest private apartments with lots of white curtains, 70 stories high, called The Seal. A penthouse over there goes for Singapore's $16 million. 16 million. So multimillionaires who bought this craft, you might like to buy an apartment over there. To the right of it, a building with a U sign at the very top, that's a Union House of Singapore, known as NTUC Income. And to the left of the Seal, two towers in blue. One of them has got the logo of the Standard Chartered Bank at the very top, part of the Marina Bay Financial Centre, due to be completed in the year of 2012. Now in front of you at your 12 o'clock, front view of the First Financial District with Maybank, HSBC, Tung Centre, Hitachi Towers and the Fullerton Hotel. We're heading towards the Hitmar line now, ladies and gentlemen, so if you want to go in front to take your pictures, please do so. Singapore is known as Singapura, a lion city, because in the 14th century there was a prince from Sumatra, Malamba, which was part of Indonesia. When he came over, he thought he saw a lion, so he named us Singapura. Singa means lion, Pura means city in Sanskrit. What you're looking at onto your right, well, this is known as the Mama Lion. Right behind that, a smaller white one known as the baby. Papa has gone off to Sentosa Island. We've got Grandma and Grandpa as well, and they're all in different parts of Singapore. Now, ladies and gentlemen, because of the currents and the winds, we're not able to stay in the position for too long, so please go to the front to get your shots. If you're in desperate need of a shower, just like that, then please hit Crazy Road, you will be free of charge. Now, just about 5 months ago, the Mama line they're looking at onto your left underwent reconstructive surgery. You've got a Botox, deep augmentation, and a facelift. You must be wondering why? As you know, once you're 35 years old, you have lots of wrinkles, fine lines, bogies, and saggy teeth. Now what happens next? Well, you hide under Ray-Ban shades so that nobody can see all your wrinkles.